Oh, no. Oh, y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see this. This is a whole box of... Okay, here we go. Let's do this. All right. Oh. This is what I liked about this. Look how much dust is on this. All right, let's throw some gloves on and get to it. I'm here at the locker. It is packed and stacked. This is going to take several trips. Check this out. These are sweats of some kind. They're sweatpants. Tar Heel Sports, made in the USA, medium, but I got a whole box of them there. He's a little close. The goal is really to try and figure out what I have today. Oh my gosh, there is so much stuff here. More sweats. All right, Tar Heel Sports again. And that's a whole box of them here. And there is so much stuff. Samsonite. This is gonna be more personal stuff, I just bet on it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, these are fantastic. Look at the condition. These are a smaller size, I think. Brand new, never worn. The 14179 is Toltex, made in USA. Just perfect. And look how many are in there. All right, one box. Fantastic. It says 3 dozen medium. Are there 36 pairs in there? All right, let's see what is in this one. What is in here? More sweat bottoms. Sportswear, extra large, Codell polyester. Elastic's good, but look, all this stuff is brand new in there. Brand new. Oh my goodness. Now some of the bags have been really random stuff, most of it not any good, but we'll look and see. We'll look and see. Well, that doesn't look... It doesn't look like trash. Like a hoodie. Miller. That's probably what the whole bag is in. I'll take that. Yep, these are more of those hoodies. Look at that. Are these Miller? Nope, sportswear. Nope, those are the Toltex ones. Awesome. So many. What? Oh no! Oh y'all, can I get that out without? Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is a whole box of Hanes. Oh my goodness. Oh, gold. Those are all smalls. We need to hope for other sizes of those right there. Look at this. But see here, look down here, right here. That is those Sneakers brand. Oh, look at them. All right, but I've got to take this down. See what's in this one. This is pants, sweatpants. A little bit of dust. Sportswear, all new. We are going to load the truck up today and get home and get some of this listed. Super excited about that right down there. Super excited. What's in this one? The blue sweatpants. These are probably all going to be blue. Nope. Oh, let's look at this one. Look at that. Oh, it's a Tar Heel Sports. All new. Are you kidding me? Oh, you'll have to organize the truck. Truck's already almost full. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, y'all. This gets better and better. More sweatpants. So these are going to be the sportswear Codell, all brand new. Two dozen large. What it says on it. That doesn't mean that's what's in there. Oh, fantastical. Which fine. Oh no. The red ones fell out of the box. Oh, look at that. Those will go with those pants. I've got whole track suits, whole sweatsuits, I guess. I'll just stick those in the car. I'm so excited. Let's see what this is. That's something new. There's a Ringer t-shirt by Sneakers, same as the white ones, but with the yellow, except with blue. I will take that. They don't do as well when they're not in the plastic though. What? No way. Is the elastic? Oh my god. No way. Short. Look how many. All right, let's find some water. I'm getting too hot. Melody, pack me a bag. What is that? Those are like women's. Tell me that's not 1970s. The knit. Check this out. Women's knit tops. It's had air into it, so they won't be quite as good. It's not dry rot. Women's tops. Maybe you'll say, look at the collar. If you can't date that. That's what all of that is in there. More white ones. Hoping that some of these that aren't exposed will be better shape. I don't know how many more I can get out. I'm getting too hot. Throw this one in the car. I think I can get that one in right there. You're literally just gonna jam that closed.